sa ating tagpuan, nagbago ang lahat. Nasilayan ng taglay ng iyong ganda, bituing nagniningning nagkaisa. Mga pangakong nabuo at simula, di na malayan oras ay lumipas na. At sa gabi na ito, ay napangarap ko sabay hawak sa'yo.
Kakain mo na kayo spaghetti, ha?
Ikaw lang ang aking mahal, iibigin kita na parang dala at buwan. Hawak ang iyong mga kamay, sa liwanag ng buwan nagsimula ang lahat.
Alright mga Tropa Pits, andito tayo ngayon sa second part ng sandbar. Maganda yan, mga bakawan yan. Diyan kami mamamana. Actually namana na kami kahapon. May nahuling 2 isda, maliit lang. So dito subukan namin si Romel. Yan yung tropa ko.
Nakakalutang ako, guys.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed?
Alright mga Tropa Pits, andito ngayon tayo sa sandbar ng Alibihaban. Ito yung pangalawang part ng sandbar. Doon yung unang-una namin pinuntahan kahapon. Tignan nyo to. Dito tayo. Tignan nyo yung tatagusan natin. Ano, ito yung tatagusan natin. Panoorin nyo. Paraiso. Ayan, paraiso ng sandbar. Ayan, paraiso ng sandbar. Paraiso yan. Ganyan kaganda. Namamana tayo. Mamaya tignan niyo.
The same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe time.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am
Ako seryoso. Ay, wag ako.
for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, 'cause the thing is I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know is this is where my heart is. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow.
Alright guys, dito tayo ngayon sa San Andres Port. Ayan. Dito papunta kami ng Alibihaban Island. Ayan si Romel. Ayan yung bankero ko dati. Nung 2023 yata kami pumunta rito. So ngayon, kain muna kami karinderya. Biro mo, umalis kami ng alas 11 ng gabi. Nakarating kami, alas 10 na ng umaga. Ayan, sobrang layo. Alright mga tropa beats. Ito ang San Andres Port. Ayan. Dito, again, sa isla sa Alibihaban. Galing na kami dyan ng 2023 eh. So ayun si Mrs. Ano siya sa DNR. Nililista lahat ng pangalan, kung ilan yung pupunta sa isla, kung ilan yung tent na ikakabit namin doon, kasi may bayad yun. Kung large o small yung tent mo, may price na ano yun, kung magkano yun. Tapos ayun yung sasakyan namin, dalawa. Ito yung Honda tsaka yung Mirage namin. Ayan si Macy's Bay. So yung bangka kasi nabutas daw bago po kami dumating, na malakaw yung bangka na sasakyan namin, nabutas. So ibang bangka yung sasakyan na contact din ng kaibigan namin na si Romel. Nakilala ko yan noong 2020.
It's almost like I can't stop, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to pretend that I'm okay. It's just a phase, and everything is going just great. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop.
Haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, cause I don't know what to do if you go.
Tropa Pits, dito tayo ngayon sa New Palm Beach sa may Bakawan nila, Bakawan. Ayan, ganda dito. Tingnan yung mga bakawan. Ito, ganda dito. Ayan yung mga bakawan nila. Ayan. So andito to sa may New Palm Beach, San Narciso, Quezon Province. Ganda, ayan. Ayan. Yung mga mangrove, low tide kasi siya ngayon. Ganyan. Ayan, laki ng mangrove niyan. Mamaya, wala na yan, high tide na yan. Taas na mga tubig dyan. Ang ganda ng pagkakasibol na itong mangrove na to. Bukod tangi siya na nandito, diba? Ayun, susulitin natin itong New Palm Beach na to, kasi hindi naman natin masasabi kung kailan tayo uli makakabalik dito. Wala makakapagsabi, diba, na kaya pa ba natin magmaneho sa susunod na mga taon. Kaya lagi kong sinasabi, kung nasaan kang lugar, lagi mong susulitin. Hindi naman natin kailangan maging mayaman, basta meron lang tayong panggasolina, kung may sasakyan, diba? Pag uwi mo, hindi ka naman mangungutang, may makakain pamilya mo, okay na yun, sapat na yun. Kasi ang titignan natin dito yung magiging memories ninyo ng mga bata, ng mga anak mo, ng asawa mo, kung pamilya mo, di ba? Yun naman talaga yun. Dapat lagi nating sinusulit yung buhay natin. Lagi tayong masaya, diba? Walang sakit. Yun naman ang importante dun eh. Kaya ayun, thank you kay Lord kasi biniyayaan tayo ng ganito magandang lugar. Ayan, diba? Nasa gilid na ngayon ng Bakawan. Kasi ang Alibihaban Island talaga, sa totoo lang, yun ang pinaka the best. Narating na namin yun. Kaya gusto lang namin mapuntahan yung mga biyanan namin, yung bayaw ko. Gusto ko mapuntahan nila yon, yung napuntahan namin. Pero itong lugar na rin, hindi mo ito pagsisisihan. Isa to sa mga magandang puntahan dito sa San Narciso.
I don't know what you see in me. I'm not good for you, can't you see that I will drag you down? Here at the bottom, I hope that you finally see I'm not good enough. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. And even in my wildest dreams, didn't think that we could be together. I'm living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could